Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. This will be a quick unboxing video. In this video, I will show you another budget mechanical automatic watch that I bought from AliExpress and recently got in the mail. But before moving forward, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. First, it's wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Pagani design GMT 1622. Today's watch is from a manufacturer named Forsining. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. This is the first watch from this manufacturer on this channel. The watch comes in this fancy black box with Forsining mentioned on it. And without further delay, let's open the box. The box has an instruction manual. They have mentioned their WhatsApp number, their email address, and they have also mentioned the YouTube link on which we can find the instruction to operate this watch, which I think could be a useful thing. And then the final thing, which is a watch. The watch comes in a plastic, and I will try to remove it. Well, I'm not sure if this watch is an homage to some other watch, or maybe it's an original design, I don't know. The model number of this watch is M142, but on the website it is mentioned GMT 1164. I'm not sure which one is correct. Let's first remove the plastic from the watch. Here we can see the first look of the watch. This watch cost me around 30 Canadian dollars including shipping. As you can see, this is a classic dress watch with big round dial case. The case is polished and is made of stainless steel, which is an amazing thing at this price point. It is fashionable, at the same time it's clean and elegant. The hands are very much noticeable on the white dial. There are two second hands. One is at the usual place in the center, and the second one is at the bottom of the dial. There is no luminosity applied on the hands or indices. The crown is big enough to be held in the fingers. Moving further to the strap. The strap is made up of genuine leather, and it has a crocodile skin texture. The buckle is signed and is also made up of stainless steel. About the measurement, according to the website, the diameter of the watch is 45 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 24 mm, and the thickness of the watch is around 15 mm, so it's quite thick watch. The watch is powered by an in-house automatic movement. There is nothing mentioned about the water resistance, so I'm assuming there is no water resistance to the watch. It has an exhibit back case, and here it is mentioned TM142, and I believe this should be the watch model number. Now let's see how it looks on a wrist. My wrist size is 6.5 inches. It's a fairly big watch. Also, the strap of this watch is fairly stiff. I believe with passing time it will become soft and will hang around my wrist more comfortably. That is all for now, as I might have mentioned that I will create a full detailed review video on this watch after using it for a few days. That is all for today's unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.